Most people splice wires wrong, and this is how fires start. How do you make connections? There's a proper way and there's a wrong way. This is obviously the wrong way. In making joints, your wire should be to code, about 6 inches out of your box. So I'm going to have to cut off here to make it 6 inches out of my boxes. And yeah, any proper way to make connections. As you can see, this wire here is not lined up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to strip that wire back. And then I'm going to make 2 simple morettes here. And twist those on. And then what I like to do is I like to take my pliers and I give it a twist. The object here is to avoid these morettes coming off at all times. All has to be sealed properly, made joints connection. The connections all have to be tight. So this is how I normally make connections. As you can see my wires here, I stripped enough wire. This is the correct way to strip wire. And again, when you're stripping wire, you also have these gauges here. Will tell you exactly what to strip, what wire size you're using. Very important. So once you're done prepping, this is what I normally do. Some guys will make connections like this. To me, that's incorrect. Proper way to make connections. I line my wires up like that. I twist my wires. Same thing here. That's normally how we make connections. No need to have your wire stripped this long. That's too much wire. Incorrect method of stripping wires to make connections. Let me show you how I make my connections. Never do this. I break down real electrical skills step by step. Subscribe to the channel if you want to know how to do this correctly. Also, don't forget to like the video.